Hi, I wanted to check in with everybody and go over more details about what we call the portfolio. First, let me explain what a portfolio is. In every graduate program, there's typically a way to determine if the student is in fact meeting the overarching program outcomes of the program through their work, their understanding. So in some places, they use what's called a comprehensive exam. But we don't. We use what's called a portfolio. We have 6 program outcomes, and our particular program outcomes are incredibly important, and they are integrated into each and every one of our courses. What the portfolio is going to allow you to do is to take work that you've done in the program as you move through the program, place it in a portfolio folder you're going to create in your computer. And then when the time comes, you're going to write an essay that explains how precisely you understand this program outcome. Now, they're kind of dense. They have a lot of words in them, so I'm going to take them apart one by one. But that will happen in the course of your courses as well. So each course, beginning with OL 520, has contained within its syllabus the program outcome that is dealt with in that course, and then it shows you precisely the assignment that explains to us that you really do understand what you're doing. So the essays that you are going to write are essentially a connection between the work that you've done, which we refer to as artifacts, and then the work that then what the program outcome means, and then you're just going to write an essay that connects the dots. It is going to be something that is going to carry through the program. You're not going to have to do it all in one fell swoop, though it will be done and has to be turned in by the completion of your 4th term. Now, you're far away from your 4th term, so this is just the beginning. So I'm going to send you some documents for you to look at, to get a handle on, and for us to arrange an appointment. As you're now going to OL 540, and you're either going to have Kate Bolduc or you'll have Jess Fraga as your instructor, I will be coming in to either of those classes. Because some people have Kate and they're online, we can arrange an appointment where we can all talk together at a time that is convenient for the majority, and we will record it for those who can't attend. So I don't want you to be alarmed. It is really common for good graduate programs to want to assess how the students are doing, not just in terms of classes, but in terms of the overarching outcomes that are the basis of the design of the program. So I am going to send you a document shortly that's going to describe the 6 program outcomes. You're going to see what they look like, and I will highlight the critical elements of each one of those for you. I'll highlight them so you can see, and then you're also going to see the classes that are typically connected to it. Don't be alarmed, and don't worry. The one thing I do want you to do is, because you have finished OL 520, please take your BADIR assignment, B-A-D-I-R. Take that assignment and put it in a folder that you're going to label as Program Outcome Portfolio, or you can just simply call it Portfolio. You're also going to go back to OL 500. Remember way back when you were in class with me? You are going to take the absolute first thing you ever wrote, which is what is leadership, and you're going to put it in that portfolio folder. You're then going to put your leadership development action plan, the very last copy from 500. You're going to put that in that portfolio file as well. So that's all you have to do right now. You'll hear more about the portfolio when you get into the next course this term. But I hope that all is going well. And please know, if you have any questions or you want to know anything else, just reach out. Take care. Bye.